With the rapid development of unmanned aerial drone technology, the demand for low-altitude security is growing exponentially. LZ Tech adheres to the mission of Make the Sky Safer, Launch Comprehensive, Low-Altitude Security Solutions. The Stationary Detection and Defense System. It is a comprehensive anti-drone system that integrates multiple technologies, combines various functions, coordinates multiple systems, and operates through collaborative use of diverse methods. Detection and early warning. Deploy the system in an unobstructed off-site location. Operate it via a computer backend and configure polygonal warning zones and defense zones based on actual conditions. When a drone is detected, the system will issue an alarm automatically, real-time dynamic data display of drone's electronic fingerprinting, model types, position and quantity, and critical flight parameters. Full-band detection with precision tracking of remote controller location and drone flight trajectories. Generate a real-time operator location QR code with one click, obtaining precise coordinates instantly to provide comprehensive data support for defense. Precise jamming. After locating the drone's position, initiate precise jamming function. Drone remote control signal jammed within seconds, automatically initiating force-to-land protocol. After jamming, communication automatically recovers. Digital management. Initiate automatic management and add certified drones to the whitelist. The system automatically detects unauthorized drones in restricted zone with immediate alerts. Upon detecting unauthorized drones within the defense zone, the system automatically activates defense, enforcing forced landing or back to the starting point. The system supports automatic operation, accurate mitigation and spoofing. Activating spoofing-induced diversion protocol. The target immediately executes the return to home command. Signal loss alarm at the remote controller and pushed in real time, switching to circular dispelling mode and triggering the drone's autonomous orbit flight. Initiating forced landing command, terminating navigation links for unauthorized drones. The Stationary Detection and Defense System. Multi-station networked positioning with comprehensive functionality and leading performance, reliably safeguarding low-altitude security, forging a multi-dimensional airspace defense system